Okay, here we are in Redondo Beach at the high school. We're running from the drain line that's at the field. This is running upstream towards the benches, heading towards the French drain. I can see that damn spider web off. Got a spider web wrapped around my lens. So, we know this pipe is clear the whole way. I just have a spider web wrapped around my lens. Okay, well, we'll come back anyways. There we go. A little bit of debris in the line, but overall pretty good coming back. Pause the recording and head downstream. Okay, so this is going downstream. Also pretty clear coming back. A little bit of debris in the line, but overall clear pipe. Back here. I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording and move over to the other side.